Great day to go camping. Only an idiot would go camping in the rain. Let's just see how many idiots turn up. Oh, I can hear an idiot coming right now. Oh, another one. Well, great day for camping.
This is why I don't organise camps.
You know, it's just going to rain while we set up, while we eat, and while we try to start the fire.
And tomorrow
and then
we pack up.
It'll be
sweetness?
It'll be glorious tomorrow.
Yeah. What do you thought?
There you going, you dickhead?
Is it going to pass or is it going to stay?
No, it's going to pass. By the end of this camping trip, Jace, you know that you would have been wishing that you didn't tell us about it.
About what?
About this camping trip.
Yeah. I was going to look at
You'll go, that's it. Going by myself next time. Well, Wayne's got an Audi tent that he found in the bush from a few months ago. You know, one of those $5 ones.
Actually, that's nothing to joke about because you find you come across that many of them.
I bought that Audi tent 20 years ago.
Well, let's go. Let's fucking do this up there.
All right, let's do it. All right, boss.
If we can get there.
All right. It's Jace's ride. We're taking instructions from Jace.
Holy.
All right. But if I fall far behind, oh, he doesn't care. He's gone. Doesn't even care. He doesn't even care. If I crush, he won't even care. Wayne can go first. He's got the smallest bike. Oh no. Oh no.
Feels like the strongest fucking tree in the world.
Yeah. What are you doing, you idiot? Why didn't you go up that way?
I thought you were just going to come out.
Wolf Creek.
Wolf Creek?
Wolf Creek.
What? Is this what it's called? Yeah.
Great spot, Jace.
Cheers, boys.
Cheers, Jace.
This is Devin. BCF.
Hey, did you ring Gaz?
Don't you ring him because you're fucking. You have people's telephone numbers on your phone.
Mm.
Fuck, everyone went on about that and I had to black out the number.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
Yeah, but you know what? You should have left it on there because then Gaz could get some
All
new
the fans
friends.
could ring him direct.
He could get some new friends, right? And then they'd experience the snoring like we've
That's
experienced.
right. And then,
It, you know, feel like they were part of it.
The night's nearly over. What is this?
homemade.
Oh,
I think it's homemade. I don't know.
he's doing a Sam. He's done a Sam.
I didn't make it. I don't know. It may not be homemade. I don't know where it come from.
Oh, now that you don't like it, he's saying it's not
That
homemade.
much.
If you said, "Oh, wow, that's good, Jace," he would have said, "Yeah, homemade."
What's that? Ruckia.
Ruckia.
It's like rubber.
It'll clean engines.
Don't clean
for
fit.
sure.
Don't drink too much because then there'll be
For
less
sure.
for me. Oh yeah, it'll eat the paint off your engine.
Oh, fucking Jace. Oh, it's fucking horrible. I did. I think I did.
Beautiful, mate.
Oh, fuck, Jace. Hope my bike's still there in the morning. I mean, someone's going to see that DR650 in the T7 and my bike will be gone.
I'll take the DR.
No way.
Fucking oath.
No way they would.
You know why? Because they're the easiest bike to get going.
As if someone would even take the bikes.
That's right.
Fucking hell.
There's no dishonest people in
How
the body.
hard
No.
would it be for people to come in here and actually take a bike right now?
Is it going though?
It's fucking raging now that
Yeah.
I do that.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
I think that's the way it started.
Jay started it and I got it going. What did you do?
I got all these fucking big pieces.
Bullshit. You
All
wandered
these got
around.
my name on them.
You wandered around and
Look, WD.
You know,
seriously.
you're not supposed to get
you know what I heard
hollows.
you do?
What?
I heard
The
you.
hollows.
I heard you walk over there and you had a piss that lasted half a second. Then you walked over there, you had another piss. Then you walked
Mark
over there, had another
territory,
piss. Yeah, yeah. Go-
In the morning, he's going to go and sniff around,
Yeah,
and he'll probably do it again.
yeah, he will. And he says he's marking the territory, but
Can I-
really he needs to go see a doctor,
See me do that?
right?
What's in the pot?
6 pieces of original KFC.
Are you joking?
No.
Oh,
That's living.
God.
Fuck yeah.
On your own, Wayne? You would have, surely.
Yes.
Yeah, it's fucking tops. It is good. You can do things that nobody knows about.
What are you laughing at? Haven't you camped on your
Because he looked at you when he said that. He's like,
Because my
go on,
name's Wayne, you
go on,
fucking
Wayne.
weirdo.
Go,
Did
no,
you say Wayne,
no.
Jace?
Yeah, I thought
Yeah.
of it.
What the
Yeah.
fuck's he going on about?
because Jace is implying, Wayne, go and fucking fuck over, go over there and camp by yourself. Have you ever camped by yourself, Wayne? No. Oh, you should try it out. How's your home style chicken? That'd be ready, wouldn't it?
Probably will be.
Yeah.
It's been in the fire for about an
I
hour.
can smell
Yeah.
those
Yeah.
secret herbs and spices you put in there.
Slow cooked chicken.
That's what they are.
Jesus.
Wouldn't a normal person
Jeez. Yeah, they'd have gloves or get a stick.
something?
Yeah, normal person.
Finger licking good. I cooked this afternoon. My country style chicken.
That was good, guys.
Wasn't it?
Need a bit of bacon with that.
Yeah.
That.
Is that can of potatoes over there going to explode and
It's just
shrapnel
I've
is
got
going
it
to
pointed
be...
at Wayne. I've got it strategically pointed at Wayne.
Here,
Pretty
I've
good.
just fucking got this fire raging. Absolutely raging.
Oh my
Chuck
God.
those 2 logs on that I found.
You've got.
Let's have a go at that.
Oh my
Have a
God.
go at that, everyone. All my YouTube fans, if you like this fire, click the like button.
You are an idiot.
No more wine for you.
Yeah, that's right. Fuck, cut.
Oh, leech.
Yeah.
Yeah, fuck, got him.
Everyone
Really
still
weird.
talks about.
He was almost on my leg, the cunt.
Well, don't leave it there. Throw it in the
Yeah,
fire.
hell, Jace, get on a stick. Is there one on me?
I'll
Fuck
get
me
him.
dead. Now we're all going to be looking
I'll
for
get him.
leeches.
Just there, look.
Hang on.
Did he get me?
This will burn him.
He was just on me, hey, look,
Was
he was
he?
just starting.
You need to do what Wayne and I've done.
What have you done?
Take your socks off and spray some of the DEET on your feet.
Where is it?
I'll get you some, Jace.
Because mine's just
I'll
a
look
roll
after
on.
you.
I'm just going to pick him up.
You got to take your socks off though, because the
Well, I've got to
stuff
take
goes
them.
on your skin.
I've got to take them off anyway.
Are your feet as soft as your hands?
Have I got any burnt on the back of my muscular calves?
You have got muscular calves, haven't you? Very attractive.
This piece over this side here.
Hang on, I'm working my way around.
Hurry up.
Yeah.
This piece. Yeah, that piece and the one next to it. Oh. Yep, break
Fucking
that piece, break it. Yep,
Fucking
that's
ash
it.
in my
Oh, look
eye.
at that. Alright, there we go.
Fuck.
There we go.
Now you're cooking.
Look at that.
I'm not finished.
Good on you, Wayno. Oh, don't move that piece. Good on ya.
Oh, fuck.
Well done, Wayne.
About time you did something.
Fuck. Oh. Oh.
Big day. Big day for you. Just explain this again, Jace. That's your $76 bag from Anaconda.
Yeah. It's
And-
like a
and-
moat.
Yeah, and
No,
Wayne's...
what did you say? It repels.
No, it doesn't repel. You see the
What does it
leeches
do?
before they get to your feet.
How?
Because you see them. You look
But
down.
you haven't been looking at the bag the whole time we've been talking.
Oh,
No,
no,
We're
when
sitting
the-
in the
no,
dark.
no, subconsciously I'm looking at
And
the
you've
No,
already
bag.
had a
when the,
leech on your
when the
foot.
That was
leech
before
goes
I
on the
put the bag
bag,
down.
Righto.
It's not a bag, and it's not a bag. It's a
it's a
It's a
leech mode.
placemat.
it's a leech moat.
Yeah. But when the leech goes on, it makes like a crinkling
Yeah,
sound.
that's right. Like a
It's
crinkle,
like an alarm.
and you hear it, and then you look down, and then you flick it to the bloke on
It's
your
a-
on your right.
It's easily worth $79.
$76, mate.
It's worth 79 though.
79.
Yeah, but it's 76. It's a bargain.
Yeah. Members discount.
Oh, I might get one.
Get one next time you're in Anaconda. Mount.
Yeah.
We've
Huh.
got wood.
Holy shit! How long were you camping for?
We've got wood.
Jesus Christ, guys! Great fire, Jace.
Well, you know, Mal, I can't take all the credit. Thanks to Wayne. He helped me drag the timber up the hill.
No way you did.
He did. He actually did.
Is that true?
No comment from Wayne, but yeah, it's true.
Hey Wayne, Jace is gone. Shit, he's been taken. Jace has been taken. Wayne, quick, look. Come on. Someone's taken him for his nice soft hands. Great camping spot, Jace.
Not bad if I do say so myself.
It's pretty good now as well because Wayne's gone. It's gone for a walk. So this camping spot's even better.
Yes.
Yes.
Look at the sunrise. What do you reckon about this spot?
It was not bad.
Don't walk over in the sun. Don't you know anything about cameras? You need the sun like that.
Got anything to say to the subscribers one?
The jacket's wet.
No point whinging about it.
Part of hardcore adventure.
Yeah.
One.
You know, next.
Actually, I might just be cold.
Okay. Next, you'll end up getting a GPS.
No way. I don't need a fucking GPS.
Yes, you do.
Bullshit.
You got lost coming to this camp spot.
Bullshit. I thought Jace was lost.
Did you hear that, Jace? He thought Jace was lost. What? I can't hear you because of your stupid bike.
What?
I can't hear you because of your stupid bike.
I can't hear you. What did you say?
I said I can't fucking hear you because of your stupid bike.
I can't hear you.
That's where it says eligibility.
I've got a poached.
Poached?
Conservation reserve or something.
Yeah.
Right, yeah.
I've got the fried.
I've got a fried, thank you. Excellent.
Enjoy, guys.
Thank you.
You've already had brekkie.
Yeah, I cooked Justine one of those this morning.
Nice. Heading back home.
Yeah.
Till the next time.
Good camp out.
Good fire, Mal.
Oh, good fire.
Is Jace going to have a big line down his face?
No, it's fixed.
We'll see.
It is, it's fixed.
I'm going, how do you get back onto... Is that's...
All right.